I'm going to show you how to save time and send more professional emails inside of Convertkit with a little known content snippet trick. Let's dive in. Content snippets are a wonderful thing inside of Convertkit. Think about it, we have so many different emails that we send out in sequences. We have a lead magnet with multiple follow-up sequences to the lead magnet. We might send welcome nurture sequences, follow-up sequences when people purchase. And before we know it, we can have this big whole spaghetti bowl full of email communications. It can be hard to keep track. What if we want to change one thing that alters all of those emails? That's what this does, that's what content snippets does. Let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how it works. So content snippets effectively allow you to put a piece of code into the emails inside of Convertkit, and that is updated across all of your emails. How cool is that? If we look at this email here, this is a sequence of 3 emails that sends a lead magnet after somebody's opted in for a lead magnet. And at the moment, if we look at this in the browser, you can see that it's just a standard old email with my name at the end. The content snippets are really quite special. If you go into the settings of your Convertkit account and go into content snippets, then you can create content snippets in the account. I've created one here for my email signature. You can see I've just added a HTML block inside of Convertkit, and then I've pasted the HTML from my email signature. This is done using software called WiseStamp. But essentially I've pasted in my email signature and created a snippet. So now, rather than have to go into every single email in all of my sequences, in all of my automations, I just have to edit the snippet in one place and it automatically updates everywhere. So let's put this snippet into the email. And if we come down to here now, in the Convertkit email editor, we just hit this little plus icon. And one of the options is to insert a snippet. So the email signature snippet, we just hit add to email. And it's put this, what's called liquid code into the email itself. And so now if we browse and look what that email looks like, instead of just the plain old email, now it's got the fancy signature. The wonderful part about using the content snippet in Convertkit is if you update the snippet, it updates your emails without you having to manually trawl all the way through all of your emails. Have I changed it in that one? Have I changed it in that one? It means that the experience of your clients, your prospects, people in your world is consistent, and that helps you to build relationships, create a better brand, help you to look better, benefited no end because of what you're able to do with things like this. Content snippets, add them into your Convertkit account, start with an email signature. What else could you use as a content snippet? What are things that you say, you do repeatedly in your emails? Maybe it's a call to action. Maybe it's the latest blog post. What could you use in content snippets? Have fun. See you in the next video.